marigolds. These are nice annuals that are good for color all season long, and these are one of the last to die in the frost. We're going to plant these as attracting butterflies to the butterfly garden, and they will bloom all summer long. So we'll take one of them out of the cell carefully. They're nicely rooted. We will dig our hole, but we will not bury it. We'll only plant it up to the surface of the soil that is existing. There are actually two different types of marigolds. We have planted the French marigold, which is the smaller, more dwarf marigold that only gets around to 12 inches. There are African marigolds, and they get huge, but they have very large blooms on them, but they don't bloom as profusely. And then in the winds and the rains and in the summertime, it just breaks them apart and they fall over. And so I really like the French marigolds because there's more blooms on them and they're more uniform and they last better in the landscape.